What's up, guys? Welcome to episode 5 of Riff Dissection. What's up, guys? Welcome to episode 5 of Riff Dissection. What's up, guys? Welcome to episode 5 of Riff Dissection.
Round 1.
My name's Mike. Today we're going to be doing a classic pedal point style riff from Marching Through the Flames of Tyranny. If you didn't know already, our tab book for this album is available from Sheet Happens. If you would like to purchase the tab book, the link is down there. So grab your guitar, grab you a Kroger Seltzer, and let's get going. The song is in C standard. So we're going to split this riff up into 4 sections. In total, it's 16 bars, so we're going to do 4 bars per section. We're going to split it up into A, B, A, C. So we're going to start here on the 7th fret of the 5th string and move right back to the 4th fret. Now, every time that you hit the 4th fret in this A part, at least, it's going to be palm muted. So we're going to hit that 4 2 times. So it's going to sound like this. Then we're going to move up 1 string and hit the 6th fret, then go back down to the 4. All right, and then next we're going to move up to the octave. So up 1 more string and... All right, so in that next measure, the first 5 notes are actually the same as the first measure. But then we're going to pivot up to 8, 4, 9 as opposed to doing the octave thing. So altogether, it's going to sound like this. Okay, now in the second half of A, we're going to be doing this fill that kind of sort of comes back later in a different form. All right, so up on your low string, we're going to be doing 0, 2, 5. Go up a string and hit 4. All right, and then we're going to go back to 2, 5, 4 again. And then we're going to hit 2 up on the 4th string. So altogether, that bar is... Now for the next bar, it's the exact same pattern, but you're just going to move up 2 frets. So 0, 4, 7, 6, 4, 7, 6, 4. So altogether, the second half of A is... All right, so moving on to B. The first 2 bars are kind of a variation of what happens in the first 2 bars of A. All right, so we're going to start with an octave. And again, every time you hit that 4, it's going to be palm muted. So we're going to start with 6, 4, 4. Okay, then we're going to move to the 4th string and hit that 6. Back to that 4 again. All right, and then we're going to hit a major 7th chord shape and just kind of highlight each of the notes. When we hit the highest one, we're going to accent that, but all the other notes are palm muted. So we're going to go 7, 6, 8, 6. So altogether, that bar is... All right, then we're going to do a minor 7th shape. We're going to move up 2 frets to the 9, 7 area. We're going to hit 9, 7, 9. Then we're going to replace those 9s with 6s. And then finish it off with 9, 8 on that high string. Okay, for the second half of section B, it's going to be kind of like how section A ended, but we're sort of doing it in reverse. Every 4th note is going to be an open note, so it's a good way to remember it and follow along or something. So we're going to do 4, 5, 2, 0. Then 7, 4, 5, 0. So that, once again, that bar is... And then we're just going to move up 2 frets and do the exact same pattern. So this will be 7, 6, 4, 0. 9, 6, 7, 0. So that bar is. Putting those two bars together, it sounds like this. All right, so altogether, section B sounds like this. So now that we've done A and B, we're going to go back, play A one more time. So let's do that real quick. And then you're in for a treat here because C is almost exactly the same thing as B except for the last four notes.
Outstanding.
So let's just hit that last bar again. You know, if you want to relearn the rest of C, you could literally just go back like 10 seconds or whatever. All right, so the last four notes of that bar are 6, 9, 8, 9. It's just a little minor shape. So let's just run through that last bar and see what it looks like. Perfect. All right, so that was the riff. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed your seltzer. So add us on social media. Add me on social media. Here's the stuff. Wherever it is, I don't know. Let us know what else you guys want to see. Maybe something else from Path. Maybe something from Of Sunless Realms. Maybe. Put it in the comments below. Give us a like or a subscribe or whatever. I don't care. Bye.
We'll see, dude.
It's gonna be terrible.
Not no more.
So I guess I just think about what I'm gonna say before I should just, open my fucking mouth and shit, right? What is up, guys? What is up? Huh, all right. I don't have to say all of it again, do I? It's down there.